guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to show you this awesome cat feeder by Catit. I think this is such a great interactive toy for my kitties because they love digging into the tubes and grabbing the food out of there and taking it out so they can eat. They absolutely love playing with it. And I think it's also great for this cat especially because she eats her food very fast out of a normal bowl, but with this new feeder she actually takes her time. She doesn't eat as fast, which helps her to not eat so fast and not get sick. I like that you can take the tubes out, as you can see here, and kind of interest your kitties with it. As you can see, it's very easy to wash. And I also like that it has a pad here at the bottom so it doesn't move out of its place, especially if the kitties are playing with the feeder. So if you're looking for a fun toy for your kitties, I really recommend this feeder. I think they're gonna love it, and that is my point of view.